going to Bakbakan. Where are you going, Raja? To Bakbakan. Are you excited? You're excited daw. Yes. We are here again at Bakbakan. Wow. Hello, Raja. Ay, dito sa farm. May kagat po siya ng langgam sa ice. You say sorry, Ate Sevi. Say sorry. Oh, kiss mo na, Ate Sevi. Oh, peace na kayo, peace na, okay? Wag na away, Ate Sevi, ha? Ha? Wag na away, Ate Sevi, okay? Wag na sipa, okay? Wag na pull ang hair, okay? Okay. Very good. Raja, where are you going? Ah, buy ice cream. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Yes. Yes, eggs of what?
Frogs.
Eggs of frog. And then that becomes a tadpole when it grows up.
And then it will have hind legs.
Yes, the eggs
It
of
will have front legs, and then it will lose its tail, and then it will become a frog.
Yes.
And that's the evolution of frogs.
Ay, wow. Very good. Thank you for the education. Oh, eggs. What was that, Raja? Eggs. Dun sila, nagpe-prepare for our lunch.
So watch Dr. Binox. This is very smart. He can teach you.
Ah, galing. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the tindahan. Come on. Ice candy pala, not ice cream. Ayos. Hi, my friend, oh friend.
Salamat.
Okay, thank you. Wow, meron tayong ice candy. Oh, let's go na, my boy. Sakay, Raja. Sakay sa tricycle. Oh. Saan, Raja, punta? Ah, sa ice candy. Titaan. Oh. The family that eats ice cream together.
Ice candy.
Ice candy pala. Ice candy together. What?
Together.
Stays together. Sarap? Sarap, Raja? Paano yun, Raja? Raja? Ice candy, yummy. Ice candy, good. Ay, sleep ang Raja. Sleep, my baby. O, sleep ka na dyan, okay? Dito po kami ngayon. Sa the farm at Bakbakan. Ah, you want to do yan? Oh, later. Ha? Take turns, okay? Nag-iihaw po kami na mamaya barbecue. Ang bundok na yan ay anong bundok yan? Raja! Paparo, mamara. Manang nuts. Kain ng ice candy. Hello, Ate Sevi. Swing lang. Maliit lang yung kubo. Pahingahan lang siya. Sarap mag-swing.
Swim.
Swing. Swing.
Swim.
Ayan na, nag-aaway na. Duyan na si Ate Shiba at saka si Aling Raja, pati si Mama lahiga din doon. Say thank you, Papa Lou, for the duyans. Wow! Merry Christmas from Bakbakan. Sa gitna ng kabukiran.
3 say, eh.
Ayan, kape na naman. Sarap ng buhay ah. Kala mo, pensyonado kayo. Ay. Wow, ang sipag naman ng ate Sevi. Naku, ma-child labor tayo nito. Wow, sakay si Sevi sa motor ni Papa Lu. Bye-bye. We are here at Quintales. Raja! Happy ka? Wow, Raja! Raja! Happy New Year! What happened to my boy? Kumusta naman yung bit-bit mong ube dyan, Loves? Hello! Happy New Year! Hi, Ate Sevi! Nauna ka na pala. Ay, kumakain ka na? Ay, tumawid sa ilog para lang mag-cellphone. Itong mga batang to ba? Wow! Papaitan! Woo! Dinakdakan. Woo! Caldereta.
Sa iyo na kami po ay nakatipon sa tahanan ito, Panginoon.
Papaitan. Galing ah! Papaya. Another papayas. We're going to the river. There's a cow. That's a cow.
A wild cow.
Raja, what's that? Ah, it's a cow.
A wild cow.
It's not a wild cow. Flowers. And there they are. River again si Raja. Go! Kulot! Wow! Quintales River. Raja is coming. Go, Raja! Raja! Oh, careful, careful. Abal! Independent na. Ate Sevi is there. Ate Sevi, oh. Galing. Go, Raja! How about my boy there? Oy, sus! Independent ng my boy, oh! Durian tree. Wow! Nahabol mo yung chicken? I want to touch the chicken. Ah, touch yung chicken! Ang chick! You want to touch the chick? Ay, sus! Sabong na yan, Sevi? Ay, touch niya ang chick, ang rooster. I want to touch, sabi niya kasi.
Oo, di ba?
Pauwi na po kami. Tawid uli sa ilog.
Siyaw awat.
Yaja! Kaming take home durian and saging. Pomelo. Yan, madaming bunga. Happy New Year!
Okay.